Today we are test riding this 1970 Lambretta J50 deluxe with a trailer. It might seem crazy, but that is actually road legal. This was made in 1954 in East Germany. 50cc engine, making a very few horsepower. Only 3 gears. The speed doesn't work, but you don't need one because you will never exceed the speed limit on this thing. This moped has one of the best riding experience I ever tried. The position, everything is fantastic. It's just a wonderful thing to ride. The only problem is that the top speed is about 37 kilometers an hour, so you will not go very far away. But this thing looks and rides amazing. The trailer as well is a piece of engineering because it also has suspensions like tanks with a torsion bar, and they're independent as well. Look, and it's super comfortable. Now to prove you it is super comfortable, I'll put my sister in the trailer and bring her for a ride.